Hi, I'm Carly, bareMinerals Global Makeup Artist. I can't wait to show you Original Liquid Mineral Foundation SPF 20. This clean, vegan, liquid mineral foundation smooths skin's texture and reduces visible pores and redness over time. I'm absolutely loving this foundation. It's medium coverage with a naturally luminous finish, so your skin really looks and feels like skin. To apply, first, shake the bottle well. Twist the top open and distribute 2 pumps to the back of your hand. Go ahead and dot to distribute. Then sweep to smooth in small strokes. And press to perfect and blend. I love using my fingertips to apply this foundation. The warmth of your fingers really helps to give a nice, beautiful application. The result is a beautiful, naturally luminous complexion.